Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to edit the place on the My Little Pony Coloring Budge application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and click to the pencil icon at the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can edit, for example, the places floor, but actually I select that, and if you choose, just click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen and done. And that's it. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.